This is Rebecca with DigitalThinker, and welcome to the final video in our EAM List View Essentials series. In this video, I am going to review some setup and configuration. Throughout the series, I've mentioned a couple of install parameters and user settings that impact List View. Let's take a closer look. I want to begin by talking about the startup view designated for a screen. The startup view determines the view a screen is opened in. So when I navigate to the work order screen, the screen opens in List View. Other options include Record View and Split View. And system administrators can update the startup view by navigating to Administration, Screen Configuration, Screens. There are a couple of install parameters that impact List View. The first is QUICKDEF. This determines the default value for the operator that you see here in the column filtering as well as in the quick filter. In this environment, the default is set to contains. Other options include starts with, equals, or ends with. Additionally, SHOWQUERY. This determines whether or not the filter row automatically appears. If set to no, you would need to manually select Show Filter Row in the lower right corner in order to access the query options. Next, let's look at a few user settings. The first is Allow Data Spy Edits. If you do not see the Edit button next to the Data Spy list, you'll want to reach out to your system administrator and request that they allow Data Spy edits. When it comes to Data Spies, I mentioned there's additional functionality, including creating advanced filters and setting up global group data spies. These options are available for selection for each user. There is also a setting on the user to allow contains search. This determines whether or not the user has the ability to run a contains search. And finally, allow update field option. In order to access the right-click update field functionality in List View, this checkbox must be selected for the user. Thank you for joining me for this series. I encourage you to explore the entire playlist on navigation and feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Have a great day.